Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in series of this operating system. So today we will see Ubuntu commands. Ubuntu is most popular Debian that based distribution of Linux operating system. So we will see some of those Linux uh, commands that we can run on Ubuntu OS. So here I'm using VMware Workstation and I just virtually configure this Ubuntu 64 bits. So I just perform some of those commands on a given terminal. So for open terminal, you have to just shortcut key that you use, Control Alt T, and then that terminal will become appear. So very first is suppose you want to make it suppose for sudo. So sudo is super user. So you have to just type that sudo su. So it will it will demand for a password. This is very first command. So you have to just put this password for that sudo and it will appear. Just you make it. So then this password, if password is correct, then this will go towards that root directory and then Ashu. And if you want to exit from this, so you can just directly put it exit over there. So you will come as a normal user. So this is very first thing that you can do. And then when do we talk about suppose very that is structure of those different commands that and the significance of that. So again, the next one is pwd. So pwd that will provide us, this command refers to the present working that directory in which that your operating system is there. So is simply in simple words, in that what terminals is open, that is going to be check that pwd that in Ashu home and Ashu. So this is particular command that refers to the present working directory that you are working with, and you are in that operating system with the present working directory, in simple word, in which your terminal is open. For that particular, you can use pwd. Next is for showing and displaying directories. So you can use dir. So here we have some dir command is used to print on the terminal all the available directories. So desktop, document, downloads, music, picture, public, snap, templates, video. So these all things comes over there. So this is the way that this dir command work. The next one that you can use is very important is ls. For ls is it just to give you, this command is used to just list down all the directories that is going to be and files that include the present working directory. You can see that is the path of that specific directory. ls command can be executed as shown here. We have that result. So it is showing all that the directories and the files that include it. So ls command it supports quite maclipson, and if you just put it ls-al, so with detailed discussion of all those directories and the files, it provides you this whole knowledge how exactly it is appearing and what exactly the characteristic of all the directories and the different files. So this way this particular is going to be used. So next, if you use ls hyphen and you use a, so here it provides also the hidden was ls hyphen a, it provides the hidden those directories and files also that are going to be present. So very useful command there is cd, that is for the change directory. So you can use cd, just it is the command that you want to change the directory in the terminals. So if you suppose you want to change cd desktop, so you can just type it, you will see. So this is going to be change it out. And if you use cd slash, then you back to that normal user, and that you just back one step back towards that desktop to that normal one. So this is also once you want to change the directory, then you can use the cd command, that is purposefully that use. And if you want to exit from the directory, you can just put it cd space and then slash. So this is the way. Now next command is touch command. So touch command is in Ubuntu. It can be used to create a new file, and as well as we can use it to change the timestamp of any file. So the commands given below that will create a new text timestamp in pwd. So we have to just use touch and then suppose file1.txt. So here touch cannot touch file1.txt, permission denied moving there. So we can use this file1.txt. This is the way that we can use. Here is permission denied. So I'm just putting sudo su, and here I'm just trying to use this touch file1.txt. So now it is there. So if I just put as ls, so you will see this file1.txt is appearing over here. So now in this way you can create this file, and if you just want to use it, suppose you want to just use this one, any command that is going to be just you want to display what exactly the content of that file is there. So I'm just putting that. So in Ashu, I'm just checking it. Just 1 minute. So we have, these are the different desktop, okay, documents. So different options are there. Just 1 minute. I'm just taking this. So here we have, this is that home, desktop. If I'm just trying to make it, Ashu. So this file is appearing over there. Control-Alt-T, touch file1.txt. So this is the way that this file is created, and then you can just write something over there. Suppose you open this file, you just want to type hello India, and you just save it and close it. Now you can use cat. So Control-Alt-T. So here you just use this cat in file1.txt. So hello India, it is appearing. So this is the way these few commands that I explained today that can work. Thank you so much for being here watching this video. I will bring such videos in short duration in upcoming future. So please watch, share, and comment. And also just try to understand all those concepts behind these Linux commands, which are very, very important. If you talk about the conclusion part of this, these commands line interface, that is CLI, is that's the basic utility that you can use in any machine and performs lots of operations. Without GUI, you can perform lots of operations with the help of CLI, command line interface. So CLI can be used to operate the entire operating system, which is also you have not used even though a GUI, but is going to perform lots of operations for your operating system. So that's why these Linux commands are very much very, very nice to be there if you use. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care.